Magkano nga tayong sweldo ng videographer ngayon? 100, okay na.
1 hour. Why not 1 hour?
Magkano?
100. Wala pang 1 hour na.
Ate, stop daw.
Tapos na daw. Tama na daw yan.
Wala na yung matitira, te.
Ipasok pa doon.
Wait lang po. Excited kayo.
Yes, of course.
Put 4 spoon. Full spoon.
You talk while I'm videoing.
I will put 4 full spoon of this mixed rice, ground meat, and green beans. And press a little bit. Then
More. Go ahead.
Press. And then fold all the side to cover all.
Ganda.
Wow, galing ate. Ay, hindi ko pala na video. Hindi ko na video.
Then flip it
Mashallah.
like this.
Lipis yung kran.